Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get different languages in ElevenLabs. So from your homepage, what you will do is you will click voices or you will click text to speech. It really depends on you. And what you will do is click text to speech. And by the way, there are two options to actually do this. So what you will do once you're on your text to speech section, you will just have to select a voice that you would want to use. For example, I would want this voice, and what you will do is if you do have the advanced settings, you will just have to click that, and then you will search for language or accent option, and then you will just have to choose your desired language from the drop down list. Or you could actually look for different um languages from your library, so which is right here. So you could actually just search for example American, Japanese. So for example, let's search Japanese, and as you can see, we have here a Japanese language voice or something like that. So what you will have to do is just add it to your voices if you want to use it for your speech. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you're satisfied with your language, with your voice, with everything, you will just have to basically click generate speech so that you will be able to listen to the preview and download it for your project. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.